Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Hakodate, Japan. Time check around 11:35 in the morning. Temperature 16 degrees Celsius. Beautiful, fresh and chilly. Alright, so our goal for today is to find the best ramen in town, along with my beautiful teammates here from the beautiful Elevation of the Seas. Shikina, say hello.
Hello.
Army. Okay. This is our day number 15 of our 16-day voyage from California to Tokyo. Well, however, due to weather disturbance, we diverted our cruise for another 2 days because we cannot dock in Tokyo because of the recent storm. So the cruise is going to have additional 2 days, and to some guests it's not really a good news because most of them have more reservations for their travel plans going to around Japan and around Asia. So some of them made the decision to not continue the cruise anymore and fly all the way to Osaka. Some of them are looking for flights going to other countries in Asia. Wow, what is that? Now, the very famous Japan melon. It's huge. It's huge. Fish market. Wow, crab! Look at the crab! So from the cruise terminal, we took a bus from where the ship is docked right now. 15 minutes ride, 10 to 15 minutes ride. It's a free ride, and we were dropped off here in the cruise terminal of Hakodate. Just a few steps away, we found ourselves here in the fish market. Uy, may crab oh! What are these round thing? It looks like these are caviars or eggs, fish eggs. Grabe ang lalaki. Look at these crab legs. Giant claws. Uy, tara, kain tayo.
Ano na? Saan mo gusto kumain?
Uy, ikot pa tayo.
Kaya tayo maglalakad.
Ikot muna tayo. Baka meron pang iba.
Kasi nga meron ayan na nga ang menu. Ito na siya, walang tao.
Oo nga naman.
Lalayo ka pa.
Oo, tara. Dito.
O dito, ukit na mayang pink crab oh. Baka meron...
Dito mas convenient dito, Pio. Mas maliwanag, oh.
Hanggang may restaurant dyan.
Oo, pero mas gusto ko to authentic. Ito mas maganda, authentic. Talagang old-fashioned.
Old fashion. Ayun no, may upuan.
Masarap-sarap na ano.
Eh, lahat masarap yan. Mag-iisda ako. Dito na lang, be. Dito na lang. Maliwanag. Let's see how much. I am allergic. Isda lang ako, isda. Isda lang ako. Isda. Wow.
I'm a guest.
Are you a guest talking to them? Ayun. Ayun no. Pork bowl.
Let's try, no?
Ang bowl. Pili siya sa king crab. May bowl. No crab tempura.
Scallops skewers.
Gusto ko iyo. Try ko iyo. Na.
Grilled eel on rice.
May rice na ako siya oh. Tapos
Wala silang ano, fish.
ha? King crab.
May squid
king
legs
crab
sila,
rice,
oh. Lamb meatball,
Pwede yung king crab tapos.
pork. Hindi ako pwede ng crab eh. Allergy. Okay.
Ikaw, anong ano?
Wagyu beef. Isda lang ako.
Isa oh, may ano pa.
May rice yun eh.
Which department do you work in?
Restaurants.
In restaurants.
Ano, mag-fish lang ako, fish.
Mas okay doon.
Fish lang ako, fish. Tara. Alright folks, thank you for watching and I'm going to enjoy my lunch. Something fish, not seafood. I'm a little scared of my allergies. Alright.